Getting sick of all the small town talking. Getting sick.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Igbo Nono, and in this channel I help people of Igbo descent discover their Igbo culture and heritage, yes, as well as traditional history. So if you would like me to teach you art, tradition, history, music, then don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel. Okay, we definitely enjoy to be on this channel. You're definitely welcome. I try to make my teaching or my learning as easy as possible. I also spell them out, so being here is going to be of a benefit to you as well as to me. This is what I felt like doing actually, because I find it not weird that you will leave your culture, like you will leave your mother's tongue and speaking other people's tongue. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Basically, I'm not here to throw on anybody, and hopefully nobody comes for me on this, but basically I just feel that this is what I should do. I should help people who are finding it difficult to learn their language, learn it in the most simple and easy way. I actually make my notes for this from time to time. I also come out here and put it as well. So it's something I love to do. It's something I'm willing to do. It's something I'm enjoying doing in the process. Yes, teaching other people how to speak Igbo language, because Igbo amaka, Igbo kweni, Igbo kweni, Igbo kwezo no. Yeah, in this video actually I'm looking a little bit bloated or fat. I don't know the one to use for it actually. So while you guys are here, I'm very happy to welcome all of you, and yes, that is just basically it. And no means welcome. No, welcome. Please, I will say again, subscribe to my channel and support my video, because you're here to learn your cultural heritage. You're here to learn the art of Igbo. You're here to learn the tongue of Igbo language. So I'm very happy to welcome you guys and to have a lovely day, and watch my other video. I have so many interesting videos down in my video section. Yes, you could go to the videos and you see so many videos there. Please watch, subscribe, share, save in your watch later and revisit them consistently, and that will improve your Igbo language so much. So with that being said, I will be stopping here, and I hope as I'm teaching this culture, tradition and history, you guys will not be missed out. You guys will be missed out or be left alone as we go along. So to have a wonderful day. Bye.